What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs. So this morning, Bubbaloo, aka John, tried to start his Corolla and it wasn't starting, it wasn't going anywhere. So today we're here to fix that. I did have a Chevy Avalanche video for those Chevy Avalanche guys who are on my channel, but this takes a little bit more precedence over what's going on right now. So we're going to fix his whip and make sure it runs good. I diagnosed it all the way down to a starter. That is what it needs. But while I was there in the store picking up the starter, I was blessed and ended up finding a whole bunch of products for 5 cents each, and it turned out to be $1 in total that I spent for the product. So let me show you everything that I got right now. Here is everything. I got some Meguiar's carpet upholstery spray. I got a mitt. I got some wipes. I got some aluminum wheel cleaner. I got some other wheel and tire shine. I got some wax wipes. I got another thing of like glass cleaner. So I got a whole bunch of stuff here, and the total of everything came out to $1. They were all like 5 cents each, so it came out to $1 exact, and that's pretty cool that I have all that stuff. So anyway, let's get started into the video. Alright guys, so the very first thing that we have to do is remove this fan shroud to get access to the starter right there. So there are two small bolts, I believe they are 10mm bolts. There are two 10mm bolts that you have to remove this fan shroud. It's going to be one here and one all the way over here. And then you just disconnect the connectors and it should pop right out. We have to remove our radiator fan. This is done by removing the two 10mm bolts on each end. Right here is where one of the bolts is, and right over here is where the other one is. Two 10mm bolts. Now that we have clear access to our starter motor, there is a connector and two bolts to remove, as well as a wire held on by a bolt. We use a 14mm socket to remove the lower bolt on our starter, and then we use an extension adapter with our 14mm socket to loosen and remove our upper bolt. Look at that corrosion! We definitely have to clean the corrosion before installing the new starter. We use a 12mm bolt to remove the wire on our starter. Then, we unplug our connector and we can finally remove it. Our starter seems stuck. We use a long screwdriver and a hammer to knock the starter out. We grab our new starter and install it into place. We just reverse the order of what we did prior. Torque to 28 foot-pounds.